Is fashion really cleaning up its act? Everyone is talking the talk. References to sustainability in fashion's annual reports have more than doubled over the last 5 years, and investment is soaring. 3 in 5 shoppers say they actually care about sustainability, and search history suggests that they do. But is the global fashion industry doing enough against a ticking clock? The impact that fashion has on our planet is undeniable. Vivienne Westwood was amongst the first people to call for change from inside the industry.
The idea of consuming crap makes me, I think that's the big problem. It all becomes just landfill.
Today, all fashion businesses must focus on sustainable design and production to meet expectations from customers, investors, and regulators. It's a long journey. Stella McCartney has been trying to build a more responsible fashion business since its founding in 2001.
I don't think people understand you can't buy something for £2 that's been made, manufactured, the fabric, who made it, in what conditions. You can't make stuff that cheap and have any good come of it.
Marine Serre's namesake brand was founded on the principle of using end-of-life materials to create new garments, a circular solution to a growing problem.
I have to at least make a small change on the mind, on the process, on how we think about business, how we think about people, how we think about fashion, how we think about consuming everything, and I'm just there to question.
But how can these efforts be replicated at scale? In 2021, we created the Business of Fashion Sustainability Index to track clearly defined progress for 15 of the world's largest publicly traded fashion companies. Leading the scoreboard across all companies was Kering, but with a score of just 49 out of a possible 100. The average score across all 15 companies? Only 36 out of 100. We must do better against that ticking clock.